Hey guys, welcome back to Lakes Campground. This is our updated review. So if you haven't seen the first one, there'll be a link in the description below so you can go back and check that out. So we're standing here with Jerry, one of the owners of Lakes Campground, and we're doing our updated review of the campground. We'll give him an opportunity to give you guys an update on what is going on for 2026 and 2027 here at the campground. Got a lot of exciting news, but first and foremost, the heated swimming pool is up and running, and we have definitely taken advantage of it. So Jerry, if you want to give us a quick update on what you guys got going on, there's a lot of construction going on right now. So
yes, probably as you've been going around, you see a lot of construction, a lot of dirt. It's not pretty yet, but we will get it pretty, I promise. But hopefully by next winter, we're adding about 30 more sites here at the park. Because of that, we've had a lot of people that have seen your videos that want to come and stay with us. And we plan on adding a dog park, a big, about, I think it's 75 by 75, nice dog park, a dog washing station here.
we
are going to have a storage area. Working on park model rentals. We're going to put them on the water, going to be to rent out, so just keep an update on the website for that.
How many sites are going in on the water?
That's probably about five.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Five, but we are adding some beachfront spots that all back up against the water, and I think there's 7 or 8 of those. Each one's going to have its own path to one of our beaches here, and it's located right next to our pool and clubhouse. That's the big plans for this winter. Next year, there's always going to be something new. So.
Yeah. So as you guys already know, they've got propane available when you first come in, and I will tell you that place stays busy because they have some of the lowest propane prices in town, and that's a tongue twister. So, and also in the check-in station they have the ice cream station, which is full of all different kinds of flavors, which is a favorite stop here inside the registration center. They also have a small place to buy your necessities. Well, thank you for the update, Jerry. We greatly appreciate it, and we look forward to coming back here next November.
Yes,
we have a 6-month stay here next year, so we're pretty excited. It's kind of bittersweet. We're kind of sad to be leaving. We've made a lot of friends here. We just had a really great cookout. Had, I don't know, almost 40 people there. We do water aerobics here. Bingo. Bingo's been a big hit. We all have a blast at bingo. We got a cards night, and I think maybe adding a few more things next year, but we'll let you guys know about that when it happens. But thank you again, Jerry. Appreciate it.
Sir. Thanks for staying with us.
Absolutely.
Hopefully we can see, we'll see you again next year.
Absolutely.
Hopefully we can get some people that watch your video that'll like to see you too.
Perfect.
All right, guys, we're back to a place we showed you last video of Lakes Campground, and that's the beach. Last time we showed you guys, they had some really cool Adirondack chairs out here. Well, now they've upgraded your beach experience. You have some nice lounge chairs, you have an umbrella, and man, look at this view. I mean, you cannot beat this. This is the perfect spot for sunset or to spend a day just relaxing in the sun. You just can't beat it. And this year, we have been fortunate to have not one, but 2 bald eagles kind of hanging out at the campground all winter long. It's been fantastic.
Well, hey guys, here we are at the new campsites that Jerry was talking about. I'm going to get with them. I think they need to rename this Sunset Beach because this is one of the best sunsets you're going to get here at the campground. These are the new campsites we were talking about earlier. All of these are going to have beachfront access from each individual campsite that backs up to the beach, and then there's other campsites on the other side, but they're going to have beach access, but not going to be on the beach. But this is it.
Guys, we finally got our pool here at Lakes Campground. It's heated, it's cooled, it's perfect. Well, when the weather cooperates, it is winter. We have had some chilly days, but this has been like the epicenter of fun this year. We've had water aerobics that has been led by our instructor, Tammy, or our friend Dave has an audio recording that we just do on the fly when it's just a few of us that want to get together and do it. We come here on the weekends, we hang out, we sunbathe, we chat. It's a great, great place. So if you're thinking about coming to the St. Augustine area, you definitely want to come here to Lakes Campground and check out the pool. Hey guys, guess what this is going to be? Lily's new favorite hangout place in November when we get back here. This is going to be the dog park. If you guys saw our first video, the dog park was clear on the other side of the campground, and it was great. She loved it there too. Stayed a little bit wet, and they've repurposed that area to something else. And so this is now going to be the dog park. Actually, I think like shortly after we leave, the sod's going to roll in, and then the fence will go up, and then this will be a really great area to take your pups. For us, it's just a short little walk now to bring Lily here, throw the ball to her, throw the Frisbee. She is going to love it here.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
Well, we're wrapping up our stay here at Lakes Campgrounds, and we're a little sad, but we're headed back up to Maryland to visit with friends and family for 2 whole months, and then back on the road again.
Yep, it's really been a fantastic stay. In fact, we liked it so much, we're coming back for 6 months next year. We really enjoy the people, we really enjoy the campground, and we are so looking forward to coming back next year. All right, guys, we will see you on the road. Bye.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like